I get a kiss? Right there?
Mommy đây.
Right there.
Mommy mua đồ đẹp cho con nào.
Mama gives you a kiss. Mama loves you. Look at this guy. He's a good guy. Earlier today, he was wearing long hats. Yeah, that's what he was doing. He's goofy. Hey you, what do you need? Need some help? You come grab my finger. You must need a little help somewhere. What do you need? Here's the baby. Here's the baby. You want the stroller? You'll have to ask them. I'm not going to get that for you. You'll have to ask about the stroller. Well, you're having a hard time with toys, huh? Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Look at that baby.
Bác đi uống sữa. Ba đi uống sữa. Bác đi.
Again, huh? All right, here I come. What do you need? Why don't you do the bear for a while? Why don't you sew with the sewing bear, okay?